Welcome back, everyone. This is gonna be a short episode, but I hope you still enjoy it. If you wanna see what we managed to get done in one day, just keep watching. Oh, and before I forget, I wanna thank Alexander for all these scrapers and Stephen. Thank you very much. On last week's episode there was a bit of action on the comments. There was a negative comment and there were many people who tried to defend what we're doing and this project. So thank you very much. We accept all comments, but we just ask for respect, that's all. Anyway, enjoy the episode and see you later. Bye. We're going for it. We're gonna cut the other side, a bigger piece to replace the core. Holes have been drilled. And Stu is about to cut with the multi-tool. Done. Next job, try to take it all in one piece so we can reuse it. We've got the whole arsenal. Whoa! How wet is it?
No, this bit's saturated.
Yeah. And what is this purple stuff?
Probably the glue. Yeah, it's a whole bit missing. Yeah, it's kaput.
Look how much water. Basically what I've been doing is resealing all these holes because there were some fittings here at some point, we don't know what, and they resealed all the holes but not very well, so water got in. So I just drilled them out and checked the core. Some of them were a bit damp, so I just digged out all the wet bits. They weren't actually too bad, so that's good. I didn't have to cut any bits out, just digging out, it was enough. So now I have filled them with some epoxy filler and I sanded all around because my plan is to put a little fiberglass lid on top and then cover that either with some epoxy filler to ferret or maybe even gel coat to do like a professional job. I find that this sanding bit for the Dremel is pretty good, so that's what I've been using. So we've got 2, another 2, and then 4 there, 4 there, and 4 there. And Stu is hammering away. You having fun?
Yeah.
One of our favorite tools broke. It lasted for a long time for how much we use it. Oh, the lens is dirty. Sorry. I don't know if it's any better. Anyway, I'll put it on our Amazon wish list. The day is over and we've finished all the jobs of the day. We didn't record the most interesting part, but it was a bit messy. I'll show you the result. We've repaired the core in one day. It got a bit messy and sticky, so apologize for not recording. I have also put my little fiberglass lids on. And now we're getting ready to go and play pétanque. Last year we used to play pétanque almost every day, so we didn't get much work done. This year we don't play so much, so whenever we play we really enjoy it. We never play on a proper pétanque pitch, we play just by the boats, any area like this. And it's quite interesting because with the stones the ball never goes where you want it to go. Today we're meeting all the way on the other side of the yard and we're having a little barbecue as well. I'm always the only woman here. Almost always.
Oh, Marina! Oh, she is there also! Oh, television!
You're gonna be on TV!
No problem.
All right! Knock it out of here!
That's good, that's good, that's good.
No!
Perfect. Marina's just here working on the aft deck. Done a load of sanding today. And now pouring resin and fiberglass.
My favorite job.
This week's been horrible. There have been so many mosquitoes, like a wrong amount of mosquitoes. Not just, oh, there's the odd mosquito. No, you'll probably be walking around with 10 mosquitoes on you. It's been
horrible to the point that it was impossible to work.
Yeah, so it's been slow going. Luckily, I was working on a mate's mast yesterday, so I managed to hide from the mosquitoes, but it's a little bit soul destroying, but we'll get there. There are only mosquitoes, but oh, they can be annoying. Very annoying. Let's see what Marina's up to.
I might need your help.
Yeah, doing what?
Mixing more.
Okay.
This repair has been faired. Probably after sanding it will need a little bit more fairing. but it's nearly done. I've put a couple of layers of fiberglass all around this one. I'll probably have to put a couple more, but at least now it's sealed. We had to rush it a little bit because the rain is coming tomorrow, but at least now it's sealed. And these ones, after I put my little lid of fiberglass, I put 2 layers as a lid of fiberglass, and now we've just faired them. Probably again after sanding it will need more fairing, but it's all sealed and repaired. Oh no, there is a little mosquito stuck. Well, can't say I'm sorry. Well, it's mosquito to bite me. At the moment the boat is a little patchy. We've got repair, 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 repair. But slowly we'll get there. We changed this piece of wood the other day. Here's where the mast goes. And we had a piece of wood but it had a couple of holes with a rope that was like attaching it to the inside, and it had silicone all around, so it was well sealed. It was just those 2 holes. We used to have to put a bucket right underneath when it rained, so we changed it now. This one's got no holes and it's got silicone all the way around, so hopefully next time it rains, which is tomorrow, we'll be able to see if we've done a good job. We don't want any more buckets. We either do too little or too much epoxy or filler. We never get it exactly right. So because we mix a little bit too much, Stuart is using it for the hull.
Tiny little bits.
Stu's been doing a lot of sanding and fairing on the hull, but we just don't want to bore you anymore with sanding and fairing.
So boring.
So we're just not recording any of it. Probably if we just allocated a whole week to Dremel, fair and sand the hull, it will get done faster, but at the moment we're doing it like just a side job every day a little bit, so we can do other jobs at the same time, so it's taking way longer than a week. But it's not a bad thing because we're giving the keel some time to keep drying.
Everyone will be like, it ain't gonna dry with those tiny holes.
Oh yeah, it will dry, it just needs time. Look, now the sun is hitting the keel, always in the afternoon. Here we have the famous big hole. It looks dry in there. So, what do you think? I hope you don't think that our repair looks too bad. Since then we have found a lot more of the core that is rotten, like quite a big piece. So we need to work on that next. But yeah, we are slowly getting the boat watertight, which is important as the winter is coming. So yeah, slowly getting there. Thank you for being on the other side of the screen, for supporting us. To everyone who has been donating this past week, and to our patrons for believing in what we are doing. Without you, we will be still working on this project, but it will be way more difficult, and we'll probably couldn't afford to spend time making these movies for you, so we really appreciate it. Anyway, wish you all a nice weekend and see you next week, hopefully. Bye bye!